Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of February. So as you guys can see, we're finally starting to see a little bit of a rally coming back up in the green here in the past 24 hours, up about 10.4% on the market. Very nice mover. Bitcoin is up 10%, Ethereum up almost 10% as well. Volume is starting to pick up, 31.1 billion on Bitcoin, 19.7 billion in volume on Ethereum. We see altcoins are booming as well. Binance Coin up 13%, Cardano 9%, Solana's up 11%, Ripple 9%. We have Luna up over 12%, Polkadot at 15.9%. Even Dogecoin, the meme, is up 7%, and Shiba Inu about 12%. Avalanche almost 15%, Polkadot over 11% as well, and all these other altcoins seem to be around this 10% profit right there. Near Protocol destroying everything here at over 17%, and we actually even see Decentraland joining the top page. So the first page here, Decentraland is on the first page. I don't think we've seen that actually in the past because we had so many other coins that were ahead of it, but that is very nice to see because the metaverse is definitely something that I believe is going to boom in 2022, and this could be an opportunity. Obviously, when Decentraland was under $2.50, close to $2 at one point, I think that was one of the most amazing opportunities there was in the market because it's already made over 100% gain from that low. So definitely interesting, and there's always opportunities out there. So guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Show me some support on the channel. It helps the channel grow. So let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. So let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Decentraland, also known as Mana. So definitely this one has to be in the video, guys. This was trading at $2.58 just 24 hours ago, and now we're trading at over $3.07, up about almost 15%. In the past week, we're up 30%, guys, from lows of about $2.28. Now we're at $3 plus, like we said. In the past month, we're down 4.5%, with the lows down here at 171. So that is just insane how low Mana went down there at one point at 171. That was a great opportunity to buy in on this coin. It was trading at around a 3 billion market cap at that point. In the past year, we're still up 116% as this coin was trading at around $1.42 last year. Pulled back down here to 44 cents. And then obviously here in October, at the end of October, from 76 cents, we shot on up all the way to about $6 almost here in November around Thanksgiving. And that's pretty much when everything started going downhill. Right now, we're trying to break through this resistance area. If we can continue to push on higher, this one could definitely fly. So I think definitely an opportunity right now for Decentraland, Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, all these other ones as well that we've been talking about on the channel. In the past few months. So Decentraland is looking very juicy right now. I'm actually planning on looking to potentially buy some more into my portfolio. I actually do own some Mana in my portfolio. I believe my average cost is around $4 actually per coin. So I did get up, up there, but it was already a little bit too expensive. I was late to, jump here in mid-November, but then it only went up so high, and then with the pullback. So right now, market cap 5.6 billion. We have 982.5 million in volume, which is 60% higher than usual. We have 38-day typical hold time. It is ranked at number 22 coin on the list. 66% buy, 34% sell activity on this one. Decentraland is an Ethereum token that powers the Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland as well as in-world goods and services. So definitely an interesting one as the metaverse continues to grow. Obviously, we saw Facebook, lost a lot of money due to the, metaverse as they're starting to grow. A lot of investors were, skeptical about that, and we saw the Facebook stock plummet 25% or so, but I believe that in the long term, Facebook is going to be the real winner because they're already ahead of the game in the metaverse. So this is an opportunity for the metaverse coins to start moving on higher and get some cheap deals, I guess you could say. So this is going to be our first coin on the list, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles. How are the crypto bubbles performing in the past week? Well, we're seeing a lot of green, guys. There's barely any red on this. Actually, I don't see. Actually, I do. I see one red bubble right there, but it seems like everything else is booming very, very hard. So we have here Quantum Stamp up over 103%. We have here Avalanche over 18%. Decentraland is on here as well at 31% plus. We have here IDEX, it's up over 73%, and many, many other coins are here in the green. Anything you pretty much find on here is going to be green except the one or two possibly red ones on this list. So the market is making a little bit of a roar. Is this going to be a dead cat bounce, or is this actually going to continue into next week? we're hoping that it continues and we have, a rebound here going on. Obviously, we've been seeing the stock market make a little bit of a recovery, so it'd be very nice to see the crypto market make a recovery as well, guys. So our second altcoin on the list is going to be Solana, SOL, one of our favorite coins on the channel. Right now, we're very, very bullish on Solana and obviously Mana. Those are our two favorite coins on the channel at the moment. Obviously, with Solana, we have the NFT world and different things going on. We're going to make some more content about NFTs with Solana, how to trade it, how to buy it, do different things, how to flip these NFTs for profits, and all that type of content. Even though some of you guys might not be interested in that, that is something I'm going to be showing you guys soon. So Solana's up over 11%. This was trading at around $100. Now it's at 117 just in the past 24 hours. Here in the past week, we were trading at lows down here at $89. Now we're at 117. And then on the 1 month chart, we're down 30% with the lows of under $80 at one point. On the 1 year chart, we're still up 1,949% from lows down here last year at 571, and we continue to push on higher and higher. Hit all-time highs here at over $258, $260 in November. And ever since then, obviously, we took a pullback of over 100, or actually over about a 50% pullback here that we saw at one point. So market cap 36.3 billion. We see volume is up 40% almost at 3.4 billion. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 43 days. We have 73% buy activity, 27% sell activity, and it is currently ranked the number 6 coin right behind Binance Coin up there. We have ADA as well. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without sacrificing decentralization. Obviously, the reason Solana is very popular right now, especially in the NFT world, because the fees are very, very low. So you're paying low fees with Solana. The Solana network is just amazing, very cheap. The fees is something that we all hate. So obviously when we have those high fees, we hate trading because the more trading you do, the more you're going to have to pay in fees. While with Solana, these fees are going to be, fractions, guys. So very, very cheap if you guys want to go and check that out as well. Solana is going to continue to boom, I believe, in the next few years, and we'll be back at those all-time highs in no time. So Solana looking very juicy, guys, on my, personal list, and definitely in my top 2 coins personally. So Solana number 2, and then number 3 we have Binance Coin BNB. So this one's up over 13% in the past 24 hours, trading at $427. Past week we're up about 9%. Past month we're down 16%, and then on the 1 year chart we're up 587% from $72 to highs of over $672. Pulled back down with the market, consolidated, almost tried to break through those all-time highs once again. Couldn't make it here because obviously we had the Thanksgiving fiasco where everything started to pull back down, and ever since then we've been on a downward trend. Now we're consolidating here sideways for the past week or two, and we're hoping to start bouncing back to the all-time highs areas where we were with crypto in the past few months. So this could have been a little pullback and a recovery, so we're going to be watching very carefully. 68.7 billion market cap. Obviously, Binance Coin is the ranked number 3 coin. Right now, volume is up 71% higher than usual at 2 billion, and Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay for fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. Definitely one of those, large cap coins that is more stable and more secure, obviously, but definitely one that we're going to be watching for the future as it could continue to grow and come back to those highs that it used to be trading at, which will give us about a 50% upside just to get back to all-time highs at around 100 billion market cap potential. So all 3 of these coins are, very, very interesting coins in my opinion, and coins that we're going to be watching very closely. We're seeing the crypto market is booming right now. Things are up, 10, 15, 20% or so, and I believe that this is going to continue here over the weekend, and we're going to be watching very, very closely. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Dogecoin, the meme, is trading at 15 cents, guys. This one has been on a downtrend, hitting lows down here at around 14 cents, 13 cents at one point, I believe, here in February 3rd. In the past month, we're down 11%. Past year, we're still up in the green, obviously. But once we get past this SNL, pump, then everything's going to be on a downward trend. Then we have Bitcoin here up 10% in the past 24 hours, making a nice move. Obviously, we saw the inflation data, job reports, everything else happening on Friday. So that definitely did help this one as well. Obviously, Amazon had some great earnings and a lot of other companies as well that is prompting up the market. So here in the past week, we're up 10%. Past month, down 10%. But we're almost back to those areas where we were trading in mid-January when everything started to, tank really fast. In the past year, we're up 8.6% still. around $27,000 away from the all-time high area, 786.2 billion in market cap, 33% of crypto market space. Volume is up, like we said. We have 73% buy activity and 27% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum booming as well here, from 2,700 all the way to highs of over 3,000 now, up 9.5% or so. In the past week, we're up 19%, guys. Past month, we're down 20%, but we're back to the areas where we were trading here in January. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 76%, and we're only about $1,800 away from the all-time high area. So it's looking very, very juicy and giving us, some confidence, definitely some faith here that we will be coming back to those areas once again. And these, lows down here of 2,400 were great dip buying opportunities for anybody that wanted to get in for the long term on Ethereum, Bitcoin, pretty much all the, safer altcoins in my opinion. We have 360 billion market cap, 15% of crypto market space. Volume is up, like we said, 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity, and we have 76-day typical hold time on Ethereum. So I believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to push on higher, as well as these altcoins, but Ethereum is definitely one of the big winners in my opinion. I believe that they will eventually overcome Bitcoin and be the number one coin out there in the world. So Ethereum continues to grow. Let's see if we can outpace what Bitcoin is doing and outperform it once again in 2022, just like we did in 2021, guys. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think is going to happen in the crypto space? Do you think we're going to start to, come back up, or is this going to fall back down once again? As always, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. I am not a financial advisor, so none of this is going to be financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Make sure you do your due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.